Hi, today I'd like to show you Nobody Knows You When You're Down and Out. Not to be confused with Nobody Loves You When You're Down and Out. Entirely different song. This is a really old blues standard. It was written in 1923 by somebody named Jimmy Cox, and it's basically done on piano at first. And it was made a huge hit by Bessie Smith sometime later and became a blues standard. One of the many things that's interesting about the song is it's an 8-bar blues. A bar being a collection of 4 beats in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a bar or a measure. So there's only 8 of them, and then it turns around. And because it's an 8-bar blues, they're not as restricted as a 12-bar blues. 12-bar blues tends to follow a certain format. 8-bar blues doesn't have to, so each one can be entirely different. I'm tuned to G today. G, D, G. And I'll take you through a simplified version. The song is mostly 7th chords and stuff like that. A 7th chord would have a 1, a 3, a 5, and a 7 in it, or a flat 7 in it, which would be 4 different notes. And most of the time we're lucky to get 2 different notes because these strings are tuned in octaves. So this is going to be an approximation. And the rhythm we're going to use for the song, except for one run that's in the song, is called 4 to the bar. It's a standard old jazz rhythm. I'm just going to pick the chords like that. So I'll play it for you, and then I'll tell you what the chords are. Okay, we start off with a C chord. We play that twice. That's just 5, 5, 5. Then an E7, so we're going to go up here. I'm going to go 9, 9, 7. 2 of those. And then we're going to an A, which is really supposed to be an A7, but we're going to play an A right here. 6, 7, 6. And we're going to play 4 of those. So C twice, E7 twice, A7 4 times. Then we're going to play D minor, which is 7, 7, 10. Going to play that twice, and then the A twice, and then back to D minor 4 times. I'll play that slower. D minor twice, A7 twice, D minor 4 times. Now we're going to play F down here on 5, 3, 5. We're going to play that twice. And then we're going to play an approximation of F sharp diminished by raising the F, which is this note here, 1 fret, which is F sharp. That actually becomes a part of a diminished chord. So it's 2 Fs, 2 F sharp diminished. And then we do the run down from C to 2. And on 2 we're going to make it go A chord. Like that. So I'll take it from the F, F sharp diminished, run, A. Okay? And then we're D7, which is 7, 7, 5. 2 of those. And then we're going to play G instead of G7. 2 of those. And then C. If you wish, you can just play C 4 times and then start again. Or you can throw in a turnaround run, which I like to do, which would be G augmented. And then start again. Like that. A little bit about an augmented chord. It is actually a fundamental chord, even though it's not used very often. And it has a major third, so this is G, G sharp A sharp B, G, A, B. So this is a third, happens to be a major third. Tell by the sound, if you flat it, big difference. And then you add another major third. As you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 5th would normally be right there would be D, same as this string open, G5 power chord. So because it's raised, it's been made larger. Therefore, it's been augmented. The interval has been augmented. That's what that means. So you got two major thirds. And you can really recognize that sound. And that's a great turnaround for blues. Right? Instead of playing it here, I'm playing it on the first fret here. And then I'm going back to G. That's the only three notes in that chord. So there you go. Now you know what an augmented chord is. I hope you have fun with this great jazz classic. Have a great day.